me some taps to your feet if you like them. Well, good thing that wasn't my doing, that was your captain, so you can thank him. But if you look on our right side here, you'll see that set of stairs. We're about to pass another set here shortly.
Are we stopping?
Now these stairs lead to one of the only left private resorts here in Wisconsin Dells called Chula Vista. Now Chula Vista roughly translates to beautiful view, and I think we can all agree that they certainly do.
Oh, look how close.
Beautiful view. Now actually this beautiful view that you guys see around you did not always look as such. In fact, in the early 1900s, this stretch of land along the river was actually quite commercialized